Okay, so I just positioned the espresso machine right next to my electric kettle. Honestly, the combo looks really cute. Everyone, so I just picked up my Smeg espresso machine. So I actually got mine from Williams and Sonoma, as you can see with the bag. So they do give you like a dust bag or kind of like a bag for your purchase. And I actually saved 20% off. So with them, if you open up a credit card, you get 20% off a purchase. And then I got signed up for the reward system. So I also have, I think it was like $50 rewards that I can use on any other purchase. So I highly recommend if you're making a large purchase on like appliances or anything else, definitely open up a card, that way you'll save up some money. So yeah, so I picked up the Smeg. So I think my total was $390 plus tax, and this retails for, I see the sticker, for $89.95. So yeah, I definitely saved a little bit of money, over like $100, by just like opening up a card with them. So yeah, so it comes in this package. The exterior is blue, but I actually got the white one. So let's get this out. I'm so happy that they give you like a big bag, that way you can use it, you know, to do groceries or whatever. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so I just flipped the espresso machine. This is the back side. So this top part pops up. You fill it in with water, and then it's ready to go. Okay, so I just put everything here, then I'm going to just attach everything together now. So just wanted to point out, you get the warranty information, you get the instruction manual, just to go over all the pieces you get and how to operate the machine. Pretty simple and basic, like I said. This top one right here is single espresso, this is a double espresso, and then this is to use the frother to froth up your milk. And yeah, so this is the stainless steel filter holder, and then you get the stainless steel cup tray, which is right here. Then you get 3 different types of filter baskets. So the bigger one right here is for the double espresso, and then this one is for the single espresso, and then there's like a sign right here of a scoop single, and the double one has 2 spoons, and this one right here I believe is the soft pot filter basket. So if you have your own filters that you can just purchase, I believe there's different pods that you can just buy online. That way you don't have to use your own espresso, you can just pop it here and you're ready to go. Okay, and this is the bottom part right here that goes here. You get the scoop right here, the measuring scoop, and the tamper, which I don't really like this part, so I wish it was metal, all of it, or stainless steel. So the first thing I want to do is put this on the bottom. It fits perfectly. Then I'm going to put this particular component on top. That fits perfectly. Then I'm going to put this stainless steel one as well, like that. So that's pretty much ready to go. And then the last thing is which one I'm going to use. So I'm actually going to be using a single one today. So all you do is just pop it into the filter presser. I think it's just have to figure out how to maneuver it. I'm gonna figure this in a second, but you basically put this here and then you press your espresso down. So that's all the pieces attached, and now I'm going to actually wash everything, and then I'm going to do a cycle of cleaning the whole system before I start using it. Regular water. I just wanted to clean it out before I use it. So I'm going to swap the frother. So the light is on, it's stable, there's no flashing lights. I'm going to put the cup inside and push the button down. It's all set. So I think it's all set for me to go ahead and have a nice cup of espresso. finished up making my first cup of espresso with the frothed milk. Yeah, let's see how it tastes. Tastes really good. So what I did with mine, so I added a little bit of sugar because I don't like drinking it just like that. So I added a little bit of sugar and then I used 2% milk. And I tried to create a little bit of latte art, but that's gonna take me a little bit time to practice. I think I made like a leaf, so I guess I did something for the first time I made it. I want to learn how to make a heart, and there's like so many other designs, but of course that takes a lot of practice. So this is my first one. I'm just gonna enjoy it. It's really good. I don't have any complaints about the machine. It's compact, it's easy to use. It takes a little bit of time to warm up, not too much time. And the frother is really good. It warmed up my milk, it foamed up the milk. So I have zero complaints right now. Everything is working really well. And yeah, so that's the end of my review. I hope you like my whole unboxing and then going over in detail what's included in the box, as well as making my first cup of espresso. So thank you so much. If you guys have any questions, leave below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.